Welcome back to Arnobi Illustrator.
Today we will learn how to apply our own materials into a 3D object. To make the flower, we will begin by selecting the ellipse tool to make a circle. Press A on your keyboard and then double-click the bottom dot to pull it down. This will create a petal. Then, go to Object in the left corner and click Repeat, Radial. Use the inner circle to manipulate the distance of the petals and use the small arrow along the square outline to change the number of petals. Select the ellipse tool, again to create a small circle which will go in the middle of the petals. Make your flower small and duplicate it until you have as many flowers as you would like to experiment with. I had 6. Make a new document. Search any textures you want to apply to your flower and paste it on the document. Go to the club symbol and click the plus button in the right bottom corner. Click OK and delete the image to paste a new one. Repeat this step as many times as you want. Once you collect all of your textures, go back to the document with flowers and copy and paste them into your recent document with textures. Select all of your flowers and click Effects, 3D Materials, Inflate. Go to Materials and scroll to the bottom. Increase the metallic and decrease the roughness. Select one of your flowers and select Materials, Graphics. If you scroll down, you will notice all of your chosen textures. Select the texture you want to apply to your flower. You may need to adjust the position by moving the inner circle around. Repeat this step. Be sure to play around with the settings. Thanks for watching.